Hello everyone. Let's talk about an appliance we all have at home. The storage heater. The storage heater uses electricity at night to heat special bricks or concrete blocks. The energy transfers from the brick keeps the room warm. The brick have high specific heat capacity, so it stores lots of energy. They warm up slowly when the heater is on and cool down slowly when it's off. Here's a table showing the specific heat capacity for some other substances. As you can notice, each material has a unique value of the specific heat capacity because, as we said before, specific heat capacity depends on what the substance is. From these elements, we can see that the specific heat capacity of water is 4,200 joules per kilograms degrees Celsius, which is much greater than the specific heat capacity of lead, which is equals to 130 joules per kilograms degrees Celsius. Meaning, if we have the same amount of water and lead, and we want to increase their temperature by 1 degree Celsius, the water will require much more heat than the lead.